In this video, we're looking at how much £100 invested in stocks through trading platform Trading212 will get you in return over the year compared to how much £100 invested in the website OddsMonkey will get you. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Chris and I like to talk about making money online and generally how to be smarter with your money. Before we get into the video then, I'd just like to remind you, if you're new here, that I have a group over on Facebook. If you'd like to join that, I'll leave a link in the description. I also do a live stream here on the channel every Saturday between 7 and 8 p.m. just for an hour to answer any questions you might have. So you can jump on there and ask me live on the live stream. And if you enjoy this video, of course, please press the like button. It really helps me out with getting my videos ranked higher up on YouTube. Okay, so what I can do is actually show you on the laptop the raw numbers that I've found out about how much £100 invested in the stock market is likely to gain you, specifically if you have already got Trading212 or if you're looking to maybe download a trading app, maybe you're looking at investing, you've got some spare money, or you're just generally being smarter with your money and wanting to invest it rather than just spending it on, useless items that aren't going to build you wealth. So let's get on the laptop then. So I'm on this group, Trading212 Investments. They've got 6,500 members. And I asked a question 18 hours ago, so yesterday. I'd like to hear people's opinions on how much percentage return would be a good rate over a year starting with £100 using Trading212. Just doing some research for a video I'm making on my YouTube channel. And two people got back to me, so thank you to those two people, Vaclav and Phil. And basically, Vaclav said 15% per annum is really great, but the average is around 8%. And Phil said so he talked about a investment fund where you just put your money in and then they will invest your money for you, and the professionals, they know what they're doing. And they've got averaged just over 18% a year over the last 10 years. So 440% total in 10 years. So looking at that then, 18% is actually a really good return on your money. So what does that mean for if you have £100 to invest then for the year? Well, of course, 18% return on £100 will mean you get £18 back. So you'll take your £100 and turn it into 118, and that's completely passive. The hot word of 2020 of last year and probably the year before, but I'm sure it'll continue to be a hot word, is that passive income. Everyone's striving for that income where you can just lie in bed all day and not have to work for money. I personally don't really care about that because I enjoy working, I enjoy doing things. So I'm not really one of those people that just wants to lie down and do nothing. But enough about me. Now let's look over at OddsMonkey. So OddsMonkey is a site that it's something called, if you clicked on this video because you have an interest in investing and building wealth, then you will really have an interest in OddsMonkey. And I'm going to say a word here that may put you off, but what I'd like people to do that have already started using OddsMonkey and been using OddsMonkey is comment below with how much money you've made since you comment when you started and how much money you've made since you started. And then that way, people that have clicked this video that don't, they can't trust me because they're brand new to my channel, they don't know who I am, so they don't know if they can trust me or not. All you need to do is go down in the comments, and they're not people that I'm paying to say that, they're just other people that have been using OddsMonkey, and you can read their reviews and sort of work out for yourself if this is a good thing or not. As you can see in the top here, I've made nearly £25,000. That is over 2 years. It doesn't happen. You don't just click your fingers and then boom, you made 25 grand. I have put a few hours a week, every week, into building that money. But I just wanted to show you that on here, so on the Profit Boss website, which again, I'll leave a link in the description, I've got a completely free guide on how you can do your very first offer, your match betting offer, from start to finish. So it literally walks you through everything step by step. So and then of course, like I mentioned, I've got the live stream on a Saturday evening. If you're brand new to it and you have any questions, just come and ask me. But if you click on tutorials here, this is going to show you the tutorials for everything you need to do to make your first £63. So this is why I wanted to compare it to Trading212 and stock market investing, because although that is passive, £100 put into this is going to give you much greater returns than just putting it into stocks. So let's look then. I'll consult my notes here. So with Skybet, that is Skybet's offer is £5 in, and you make £16 profit, and that's guaranteed. And if you read through the match betting intro tutorial there, that explains how it is completely risk-free. It's probably more risk-free than actually investing in the stock market. Although the stock market will, of course, always recover and go back up. Say you get to a point where you need to take all your money out. Well, if the stock market is down, you can't just do that because you might be in negative. So with this, you could just be doing it, and then if you decided you want to take all your money out, you can do straight away. With William Hill, their offer is £10 in to make £24 return. Smarkets is you put £20 in and get 7 return, and Coral is another £5 one, just like the Skybet one, to get £16 return. So that means £40, so not even your full 100, £40 invested, less than half than what you would put into the stock market, will bring you, as it says on the screen here, £63 completely risk-free profit. Now, you'll go from that £40, so say you have got 100, so now you're 100, you've got 163. Now, when you go on to offers here, and new account offers bookmakers, what OddsMonkey have got is a long list of all, so they're the free guide ones that you get included for free, and then you can actually pay £1 to join up for the premium version, which gives you all of these extra, and you can see how much there is to scroll through, all of these extras where it's like bet 10 and get free £30, bet 10, get £20, and the list just goes on and on. And although these are called the welcome offers if you're completely fresh to match betting, but all I did when I started is all the welcome offers, and there's casino offers as well, so they even talk you through how you can do casino offers, and they're completely risk-free again, because here you can open an account, and because you've opened an account, they're going to give you free spins just because they want to tempt you in as a gambler. But remember here, we're not gambling. We're just going in, taking the free money offers, getting out, and taking our money with us. So that is why this is risk-free, and like OddsMonkey say here about showing you risk-free bets. So looking at it then, we can see that £100 in OddsMonkey with a couple of hours work. Bear in mind, to open an account, so you need to place a qualifying bet, and then when you get your free bet, place the free bet on covering all the outcomes, so no matter what happens in the event, you get your money and you get your profit. You can make £600 in your first week doing match betting with just your £100 startup money, because you do need some money, so you need money in your exchange as well, but it gets into it all there. And I have plenty of videos here on the Profit Boss channel to explain it all if you are super new to this and you're just finding out about it for the first time. Of course, like I say, over on the Profit Boss website, it's a really easy guide there to follow on how to get started. But you can take your 100 and then get a 600% return in your first week. Now, every week isn't going to be exactly like that, because once you've done the welcome offers, that's it, you can't do them again. But there are advanced match betting techniques, which, as I say, I talk about here on the channel, where you can put a couple of hours in and get a much better than 18% return on your money. And if you look at OddsMonkey and match betting as investing, don't call it gambling, because it's really not. You're putting your money in, you're taking advantage of the bookmakers' offers, and then you're taking your money out. There's no risk there, there's no gamble, and you can actually see how much you've made in profit before the sporting event finishes. So that's why I just wanted to make this video, in order to show you, compare the two between stock market and match betting and using OddsMonkey. So if this is your first time hearing about match betting and you want to know more, then of course please subscribe to the channel and head over to the Facebook group, get joined up there, and check back here 7 p.m. on Saturday, every Saturday 7 p.m. and I will be answering any questions you have to do with it. And I've already said it a couple of times, but check over on the Profit Boss website, link in the description, and I'll be happy to help you with everything you need to do to get started in match betting. Thank you very much for watching then, and I'll see you in the next one.